Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabe. I welcome you to Sense and the Ski Part 5. Bingo! Without wasting any of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. Having a keen awareness of or affected by stimuli from external and internal environment. A. Vitreous humor. B. Thermal insulation. C. Sebaceous gland. D. Sensitivity or responsiveness. And the answer is D. Sensitivity. This gland produces an oily substance called sebum, which keeps air supple. A. Vitreous humor. B. Thermal insulation. C. Sebaceous gland. D. Sensitivity. And the answer is C. Sebaceous gland. Substance or method used to prevent heat entering or escaping a system or organism. A. Vitreous humor. B. Thermal insulation. C. Sebaceous gland. D. Sensitivity. And the answer is B. Thermal insulation. Jelly-like substance found between lens and retina of the eye maintains eyeball shape. A. Vitreous humor. B. Thermal insulation. C. Sebaceous gland. D. Sensitivity. And the answer is A. Vitreous humor. Organ of touch and excretion. Supple, flexible covering of human or other vertebrate body consisting of two layers, the epidermis and the dermis. A. Skin. B. Vasodilation. C. Taste. D. Semicircular canal. And the answer is A. Skin. Structure found in the inner ear which detects movement of the head and controls the balance of the body. A. Skin. B. Vasodilation. C. Taste. D. Semicircular canals. And the answer is D. Semicircular canal. Method employed by humans to lose heat in warm conditions. The arterioles nearly the surface are dilated, that is widened. So more blood flows to the body surface and more heat is lost to the atmosphere. Alcohol stimulates this response. A. Skin. B. Vasodilation. C. Taste. D. Semicircular canals. And the answer is B. vasodilation. Sensation caused in tongue by the contact of dissolved substances and the taste buds. For example, sweet, sour, salt, and bitter. A. Skin. B. Vasodilation. C. Taste. D. Semicircular canals. And the answer is C. Taste. Liquid produced by glands in the skin contains water 95%, salt 2%, carbon dioxide 3%, urea very small percentage, and lactic acid very small percentage. Also contain the enzyme lysozyme, which is a bactericidal agent. A. Lens. B. Sweat or perspiration. C. Outer ear. D. Tympanic membrane. And the answer is B. Sweat or perspiration. Thin membrane which separates the outer ear canal or external auditory meatus from the middle ear. Converts sound waves to vibrations. A. Lens. B. Sweat or perspiration. C. Outer ear. D. Tympanic membrane. And the answer is D. Tympanic membrane. Hello friends, thank you very much for participating in Sense and Skin Part 5. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I'm Joshua Mugabe. Bye for now.